Welcome to Travel Adventures with Island Girl. I am in Thredbo, Australia, checking out some kangaroos out there. You guys see them? This is really cool. They're just out and about, hopping around. Looking at me. Pretty cool. Oh, there goes another one. He's hopping across. Check them out. So cool. The sun's getting ready to go down, so a lot of these guys are crossing the road at night, so I'm really gonna have to be careful out here. They're like deer. They'll run across in front of you. I've seen quite a few on the side of the road, but check this out. Anyhow, this has been Travel Adventures with Island Girl, and I am in Australia. Driving on the wrong side of the road, of course. And it's a great evening to be out here. Really a lot to see. But this is what it's like in Thredbo, Australia.